Hey friends, if you wish to use the version history in Google Docs, then please watch this video. I'll explain how this is done. So first of all, you need to be logged in from the same account from which you created the version history like this one. So after that, click on File and then select version history and then click on See version history. Okay, so this is the version history here. You can check each and every single version history, the date it was created and whenever it was accessed and changed. Okay, so this is how you can access the version history. And let us say that you wanted to replace the version. Okay, so simply click on restore this version and then click on restore, and that version will be restored. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.